stress and worry about your claims. You know, it's very easy to be overwhelmed with what's occurred to your home. It's distressing. It is sickening. You could be depressed. This is where I live. Maybe I have kids. I have a problem with where am I going to place them? I have schooling issues. I still have to go to my job. How am I going to pay for the things that I lost? How long am I going to have to wait for the insurance company to pay? When can I get relief from FEMA, and how do I get it quicker? These are natural things that occur. And I can tell you that while it's impossible to eradicate those feelings, to eliminate them, I will tell you that if you take a forward-looking attitude towards them, you may be calmed and in fact empowered by the possibilities. Recognize first that you're probably entitled to money. Recognize that the stronger and more aggressively you go after that money, the more likely you are to get it. That includes applying for FEMA relief. That includes signing up with your insurance company or making a claim. That includes getting professionals involved, a lawyer, a public adjuster, somebody who can aggressively pursue your claim, and somebody that you can trust. Because what's important about this is to know that your claim is being processed. Because you're likely not to know about the way insurance works, you're likely to be concerned about the lack of knowledge. Don't worry. If you get a good professional, they're going to educate you. If they're not educating you, they're not the right professional for you. But the concept is to put it in the hands of somebody that you know you can feel comfortable. They're doing everything there is to know, everything there is to do, everything they can to try to move your claim forward towards processing. Recognize also that you can't change what happened yesterday. You shouldn't get upset about whether you had coverage or you should have bought this or you weren't prepared in that way. It's history. That's why they call it history, because it already occurred. I can't be worried about what happened yesterday. I can't be upset with myself. That's just not productive. It's not. And as soon as you recognize that, you'll recognize that your energy needs to be devoted towards forward movement items. Your energy needs to be devoted towards what you can do to make your family life tolerable, better, enjoyable, to what you can do to help get monies, to help you move on with your life, to rebuild your house, to get the stuff back you need, and to recognize that there's an element of fate, an element of it can happen to anyone. It is not your fault. You are not responsible for what happened. The idea is to remember that we're all human beings, that what I'm going to do is the best thing I can, and that is do what I do well. I'm going to work hard in my job. I'm going to get professionals to help me in these claims. I'm going to recognize that this may help me to even become closer to my family. This may help me to launch into a new area. This may help me to get monies for items that I really need, to replace shoes, to replace computers. There are lots of opportunities built inside what we would commonly refer to as a disaster. The important thing for you is to be positive and to recognize that no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. No one controls how you feel. You do. And the sooner you embrace that, the better opportunities you'll have for a more positive and productive feeling. Have a great day.